Welcome to Learning Fun with Ira. Today we are going to learn about a beautiful color. It's red color. Let's start with a yummy fruit, the apple. It's juicy and yummy. Look, a red balloon. It flies up in the sky. This is red rose. It smells sweet. This is red tomato. It's soft and healthy. This is red fire truck. It helps people in danger. Can you find the red one? Grapes, banana, rose. Yes, it's a red rose. Well done. Thank you, friends. Now you know so many things. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.